What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, let me know what you think of all the videos. And yeah, let's get straight into this one without waffling further. So we've got a different box for once. It's an orange box. It says Nike in black with a white swoosh. On this side it's got loads of writing. I really don't want to read that out if I'm honest. On the bottom it's got that same old stuff that it always says. On the back it's got a massive swoosh in white and then Nike written above it. And the important bit is the label. This label's kind of odd because it's from a company, so I can kind of make out what it says behind it. So it says Blazer Low 77 Vintage. So they're like Nike Blazers, Nike Blazer Low. The colorway, again, I can't see. I don't want to peel off the label and ruin it, but we'll say white and black. Leather, as what it says there. The size on these are a UK 10 or 44 Europe. They're made in Indonesia and the style code is DA6364-101. So we've got a pair of white and black Blazers. Funny thing about these Blazers is I actually thought they might be a bit narrow, the actual shoe. I thought they might not fit me, but I'll be honest, the width is actually on point. It's not bad at all. Definitely not as narrow as I would have thought. So we'll go through the colors. On the bottom it's got that kind of like speckled bit of sole, so like a used-ish sole, I'd say, but it's not used, it's just like that recycled type thing. So you can have a look at that. Fresh sole, but it's got those speckles which looks used. Then we've got that midsole in a white slash slightly off white, to be honest, more like a creamy color. Then we've got leather on the back, leather here, leather all around. Got a panel of suede. Then the toe box is leather with another panel of suede. On the inside it's fully leather. And the swoosh on both sides is actually nubuck. On the back we've got the Nike, just written Nike, and the tongue is that unfinished styled tongue with the sponge exposed. On the tongue it's got that Nike logo. This is like a retro logo. And then we've got some standard laces. They are slightly different to normal laces, but I'd say standard for the dunks. And yeah, I do like these more now that I've had them on foot and in hand. Well, I've had one on foot, this one, but I need to see them both on foot and see what they look. They do look a bit long to me, if I'm honest. If you look at the bottom, it does look a bit long. So I don't know how I feel about that, but literally my first ever pair of Blazers ever, which is, you know, that's different. Yeah, let me know what you think about the Blazers. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Most importantly, take care, my people.